evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Maureen Wadia welcoming you to another program of the Honda Glad Rags Mega Model Manhunt TV reality series in association with Panasonic Beauty and Himalaya Neem Face Wash and Britannia Bourbon. Tonight, it's a task about how to make the best of your looks, and we could turn to no better partner than Panasonic Beauty. This program is all about getting that perfect look.
Glad Rags Mega Models. Glad Rags Mega Models. Glad Rags Mega Models. Glad Rags.
Hey doll, what's up?
Hi baby, what you doing?
Maybe I was about to take a bath.
You know I'm getting bored.
What?
Yes, my parents are out of town.
Your parents are out of town?
Yes, please come.
We'll have fun, baby.
Yes.
Yeah, wait. Shave. No hair. What would she like?
Hello? Baby, don't forget to use your Panasonic body groomer.
Yeah, Panasonic 6-in-1 all-over body groomer.
The right tool for the right job.
Because every job needs the perfect look.
And every beauty needs a perfect Panasonic beauty.
याद है ना आज पार्टी जाना है?
हाँ, just give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes? मैं बोल रहा हूँ देख लो इसको 1 घंटा तो लगेगा ही.
Look, I'm ready.
Seriously 5 minutes?
हाँ, मेरे पास Panasonic हेयर स्ट्रेटनर है ना, जिससे रहो सैलून फ्रेंडली सिर्फ 5 मिनट में.
Wow, you're really looking beautiful.
Panasonic हेयर स्ट्रेटनर से बॉयफ्रेंड को करो टाई फिश.
What's the time?
टाइम आज मैं फिर से लेट हो गया. यहाँ सेविंग भी करना है.
Wait. ये लो Panasonic का trimmer. It's easy to use and it's also rechargeable. Panasonic can change the life.
क्या क्रिकेट देखा करते हो? फोन बज रहा है, फोन उठाओ.
हेलो. हाँ, थैंक यू. क्या यार,
क्या हो गया?
कल 12 बजे ऑडिशन है, उसके बाद 1 बजे ऑफिस में मीटिंग है. क्या करूँगा? इनको रगड़ लुक चाहिए और ऑफिस शेव करने का टाइम ही नहीं है.
ये लो तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन. ये है पैनासोनिक शेवर ER207W. इससे तुम ट्रिम भी कर सकते हो, शेविंग भी कर सकते हो, एंड इट्स इजी टू पोर्टेबल.
Wow, this is simply amazing. So if you have a busy life like me and want to look stylish at the same time, this is the perfect choice for you.
अमेजिंग.
Panasonic, because style has a new statement.
क्या हुआ, तुम रेडी नहीं हुई?
बोला था तुम्हें कब से वेट कर रही हूँ. सैलून जाना है, वैक्सिंग करना है, पार्टी में जाना है.
बाबा तुम्हारे लिए पार्लर घर पे लाने गया था मैं.
पार्लर घर पे?
और नहीं तो क्या. Look what I have for you.
Panasonic epilator that will give you smooth and silky skin without any roughness.
Indeed, trust me.
Have you done anything on your face?
See what I got for myself. It has 6 attachments, which means 6 different looks.
Less
Glamour with Panasonic.
So ready for the party?
What ready? पार्लर में 2 घंटे लगा के बाल स्ट्रेट भी नहीं हुए हैं, ऊपर से इतने फ्रीजी हो गए हैं.
अरे यार, कितनी बार तुझे कहा है, अगर तू घर बैठ के तेरे को मेरे सॉफ्ट एंड सिल्की बाल मिल सकते हैं स्ट्रेट एंड, तो क्यों नहीं करते तुम लोग. गिव इट अ ट्राई.
वाओ, ये तो एक ही बारी में स्ट्रेट हो गए. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, सारी फ्रिजीनेस अब शाइन में बदल गई.
इट्स बिकॉज दिस पैनासोनिक स्ट्रेटनर हैज गॉट अ सिरेमिक इफेक्ट इन इट.
और स्ट्रेट करने के साथ साथ बाल कर्ल्स भी करता है ये.
या सो गाइस, गिव योर स्टाइल अ न्यू स्टेटमेंट विद दिस पैनासोनिक हेयर स्ट्रेटनर.
बेबी, तुम्हारी वजह से आज हमें फिर से लेट होगा.
तो फिर अब तुम ही बताओ, इन बालों का मैं क्या करूं?
वेट.
हाँ,
इसे यूज करो.
पैनासोनिक हेयर ड्रायर.
राइट. ये आपका टाइम भी बचाए और बालों को देख नहीं रोना.
वाओ, तो अब मैं समझी, ये है तुम्हारे बालों का राज. पैनासोनिक हेयर ड्रायर. A better life, a better world.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, you had such long hair. What about them?
Yeah, I know. They were so frizzy and so difficult to manage. You know?
But I have a solution to that.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the Panasonic hair straightener.
It will damage my hair.
The new Panasonic hair straightener does not damage at all. It does not heat up that much, and it has ceramic coating in it. Try the Panasonic hair straightener and feel the change.
जरा अपनी दाढ़ी पे नजर तू देना।
दाढ़ी पे? क्या मतलब?
मेरे प्यारे भैया, इसका ये मतलब है कि जब आप प्रिया के साथ इस डाली में बैठेंगे ना,
हाँ?
तो वो आपके साथ में भागेगी, आपकी जिंदगी से ही भाग जाएगी।
तूने मुझे अपनी तरह कम अक्ल समझा क्या?
क्या मतलब?
मेरे पास है पैनासोनिक का इजी स्टाइलिंग ट्रिमर, जिसके हजारों ट्रिमिंग ऑप्शंस कर दे मुझे हैंडसम सिर्फ 2 मिनट में।
आज तो ना इस पैनासोनिक ट्रिमर ने बचा लिया, अगली बार चढ़ियो मेरे हत्थे।
ओए!
Hey, get dressed. We're going for a movie.
But I just got an appointment at the salon to get my nails done.
So you can get it done later.
We can go to the movie later.
Fine. You know what? Just do whatever you feel like.
I will.
So now you don't want to go?
This is my salon.
What is that?
This is Panasonic's new nail polisher. I can file and polish my nails with this anytime, anywhere.
Good for you. At least you won't have to spend all day at the salon now.
So, when do you want to go for the movie?
After you. I love Panasonic.
क्या हो गया बेबी?
देखो ना, आज मैं पार्लर गई थी और मेरी स्किन वहाँ जल गई।
तो तुम्हें कौन पार्लर जाके अपना टाइम और मनी वेस्ट करने को बोलता है जब तुम पैनासोनिक का एपिलेटर यूज कर सकती हो? तो
लेकिन मुझे वो भी यूज़ करना नहीं आता है।
ये देखो, इसके ऊपर एक रोलर है एंड इसको तुम 3 टाइम इसका ब्लेड स्विच कर सकते हो एंड ऑल्सो इट्स इजीली पोर्टेबल।
वाओ, इसने तो हमारा टाइम और मनी दोनों बचा दिया।
आई टोल्ड यू, पैनासोनिक हैज मेड स्टाइल इजी।
बेबी, यू लुक ब्यूटीफुल। कुछ नया किया क्या?
हाँ, ब्यूटीफुल तो लगूंगी। इतना खर्चा जो किया है सालों में। तुम्हें पता है, रिया का बॉयफ्रेंड उसको A1 स्टाइलिस्ट के पास लेकर जाता है, और तुम क्या करते हो?
सी बेबी, आई गॉट अ न्यू स्टाइलिश फॉर यू।
वाओ, इट हैज गॉट फोल्डेबल हैंडल एंड 3 wind settings.
Baby, it's the new Panasonic hair dryer.
I should try this.
By the way, it's cool and silent.
इसीलिए तुम इतना लेट हो गए?
Yeah, baby. Every mood needs the perfect look.
And every perfect look needs a Panasonic beauty.
Panasonic, the solution for everything.
आ गई तो?
Yes, पर इस बार मैं तेरे लिए गिफ्ट लेके आई हूँ। रुक जा। ये ले, Panasonic का नया फेस एंड बॉडी ट्रिमर, जो वेट एंड ड्राई दोनों तरीके से यूज हो सकता है। अब राहुल, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी।
Are you serious?
ओह, हैप्पी बर्थडे। सॉरी।
तुझे याद था?
हाँ, I mean, मुझे पता है तू मेरे लिए कभी कुछ नहीं लाता है, पर ठीक है।
तुझे लगता है मैं तेरे लिए कुछ नहीं लाऊंगा?
तू मेरे लिए कुछ लाया है?
नहीं, मैंने कब कहा कि मैं तेरे लिए कुछ लाया हूँ?
पता ही था। ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम।
ये ले अपना पैनासोनिक का नया।
ओह माय गॉड,
जो तुझे पसंद था।
यस।
और नेक्स्ट टाइम से अपने बाल सही से बना के आना।
ओहो।
एक काम कर, तू भी जी ले अपनी जिंदगी।
ये क्या है? क्या लाया तुमने? मैंने बोला था ABC स्ट्रेटनर लाने के लिए।
Baby, this is Panasonic's all new hair straightener. Try it once. I bet you'll be it's the best.
Oh my God! Look at my hair. It's so awesome and you know, इतने सिल्की और स्मूथ हो गए यार। मतलब इतने कम टाइम में ये
देखा?
कैसे हो गया?
क्या कहा था मैंने?
Panasonic, be the best, buy the best.
Straight hair suits me well, huh? The new Panasonic HW19, where you can flaunt and enhance your style.
Because every couple needs perfect look, and every perfect look needs Panasonic beauty.
Oh my God, office के बाद ये frizzy hair. It's like a mess. I have never ready for a party before, but now I got Panasonic hair dryer. Brush करो, dry करो और style करो. So style on your hand. Panasonic hair dryer.
समय तुम्हारे पास नहीं और दिखते तुम कुछ खास नहीं,
ट्रिमिंग और हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग तो हर कोई करता है,
लेकिन जब बात हो कम समय और गुड लुक्स की,
तो पैनासोनिक ट्रिमर और हेयर स्ट्रेटनर दे बेस्ट गुड लुक्स।
पैनासोनिक का ये कमाल, अब गुड लुक्स और समय हमारे साथ। पैनासोनिक, ग्लैम अप योर लाइफस्टाइल।
Oh my God, you're looking so sexy today.
Thank you, because I have used Panasonic full body grooming kit. It comes with adjustable comb which gives me option of full body trimming and shaving. It also has a rechargeable battery, which gives me an option of 50 minutes usage at a time. So no more skin irritation and cut marks. By the way, your hair are looking beautiful too.
Thank you so much, because I'm using this Panasonic hair straightener.
Panasonic, be bold.
Be beautiful.
Glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a models.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Maureen Wadia, and it gives me great pleasure to have as my judge today somebody who really knows the beauty business. I am happy to have with me today Mr. Abhishek Jalan, head of Panasonic Beauty in India. Well, thank you so much for joining me as a judge. Tushar, you came across with the product, I think, quite
Thank you so
good
much.
job. And now we come to Jyoti all the way from Orissa.
Odisha.
I told you before, if you can't pronounce a word, eliminate it.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5, you certainly need to speak out a lot more because you're very...
Soft spoken.
And how did you do?
Ma'am, it was good, but first time.
तो आपने rehearsal भी किया था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So Sonia, you have this problem with a small forehead. It was a bad hair day, okay? Joshua, you did well in that, and
Thank you so much, ma'am.
good confidence factor, and you sold the product. Okay, the next couple. How did you all perform?
We did well.
I would say on the acting front, you all did quite well. The only thing I can say is that you were looking away too much from the camera, so we didn't get as much of your face as we would have liked to, of the girl. How did you think you did, Hardik?
I think we did well.
Hardik, you need to get on a bit more flow into the entire act.
Otherwise, it was an okay ad. Could have been much better. How was your performance?
We tried to give our best shot.
You could have done a better job of this hairdryer.
You know, the presentation could have been much neater and the grooming could have been much better. The person who carried it was the girl. You're all looking very glamorous. You look confident, but when you open your mouth, you're not confident. I think the girl did very well. She's got confidence. You were good at it. In fact, you carried the ad.
Bhavya also, he really contributed.
Thank you so
Good.
much.
I think there was some kind of innovation in the ad.
Yes. Yes.
And I could feel that you really planned it out.
You acted it out, and it was good that you role played, which was very nice to see. I think nobody else bothered to get into the whole act. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
I think the girl was fantastic, fantabulous over here.
Thank you.
Ansh, you're a typical good-looking young man. You are not tapping, I would say, even 2% of your potential, Ansh.
I'll keep that in mind.
Sonia, I think you were a bit distracted in the ad, you know.
You basically looked very glum. Otherwise, it was okay. It could have been 100% better. How do you think you did?
Ma'am, we tried doing well.
You were the one who was actually carrying that forward.
Siddharth, what you need to do is let that confidence come through, particularly in the few words you're saying. Whatever you're saying, it needs to be clearer.
Okay.
And of course, you need to show much more emotion.
Good evening, ma'am.
Rahul, you were very confident. You had planned something, and you carried it with a lot of confidence. And that confidence was taken ahead by your partner, I think.
And bringing the bag in was a good touch. It added to it like a prop.
Yashwardhan kind of freezing in front of the camera, but I think you need to work on this.
And the girl?
She did try a lot of things,
Yes.
but somehow he was not receptive enough to those.
The endearment.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Did you think you did well with your hair straightener?
कुछ अच्छा जरूर किया है. If you present a product, you should ensure that the product actually comes in the front.
You're a shy beauty, which is very nice.
Okay, thank you.
And Nikhil, आपने अपना 100% अब तक explore नहीं किया है.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sonali, your partner is down with chicken pox.
Yes, ma'am.
Swagat.
He was very flamboyant in the act, honestly.
This was a real good case of true confidence coming through. He said it, and it had a lot of style and class in it, and it was effortless. So you got to remember, when you get a chance, you have to 100% take it. We saw your ad. It was a tragedy because there you were with a machine in your hand that women can't live without, a hairdryer. You know, you blew it.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Akshay, what's happened to you? I mean, you are absolutely without energy.
I totally agree. It's you know, you're like you're frozen. Serena.
I think she was trying hard.
I think I agree with everything he says there. But again, you're not exploiting your full potential. An elimination, there wasn't enough thought in what you all did. You are eliminated.
Glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a models. Glad rags.
Elimination time is here, for which we have spent all these hours examining your ads and all of you. There wasn't enough thought in what you all did, and it shows, because it comes to this, that you're in danger. A young lady here who also doesn't put in enough voltage. It's a combination of brains, and the brain is much more important than the looks, actually. There's an elimination. How many of you are going to make it into the next round? I think number 13. You're saved, you may leave. Models time and again cannot sell the product, and you all have proved it today because you all acted so wooden. You are safe for tonight. Young lady from Orissa in deep trouble. Sorry to say you have not made it into the next round. So Jyoti, you are eliminated. 3 girls in front of us. We are sparing you for another task. Okay, thank you.
I believe in a phrase कि जो इंसान गिर के दोबारा उठता है उसी को ही विनर कहते हैं.
Okay, 6 guys in danger and in trouble. But this time you have put yourself in danger, all 6 of you, for no rhyme or reason. Wooden performance, guys who don't emote, guys who have the looks but don't project themselves. However, tonight, you are safe. And Mr. Jalan and I think you should have another chance.
Thank you.
My Panasonic dryer, it's very light, it's very compact.
Let me introduce to you my hairstylist. Okay, first thing I've got is a slim roller brush, just like us. It adds volume to my hair, it gives me waves, and it gives me curls as well. 3 in 1 with just slim roller brush. Something for the natural look. It's a blow hair dryer. I have to further surprise you with the little fat one, roller brush. I'm not only done with the small spiral curls, I need big curls, I need straightened hair. This is going to give me both of those. Overall drying is done just in one go. I have this volume lifter, so I just add volume to my hair with this volume lifter.
Girls, I have got this Panasonic epilator. It removes your hair and gives a finished touch.
Thank you,
Panasonic.
थोड़ा सा पानी ज़्यादा है ना इसमें शेवर वगैरह में खराब हो जाता है.
सही है.
मेरे पास है मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a models.
हमने कई तरह के मेंस ग्रूमिंग प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं. पैनासोनिक जैसा कुछ नहीं है.
सही कह रहा है. और अगर मैं प्रोडक्ट की बात करूं, थोड़ा सा पानी ज़्यादा है ना इसमें शेवर वगैरह में खराब हो जाता है.
सही है.
लेकिन इस प्रोडक्ट का जो वेट एंड ड्राई जो फीचर है, मज़ा आ जाता है भाई. इसमें पानी ज़्यादा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और खासकर इसका जो फ्लोटिंग हेड है, अमेजिंग शेप देता है भाई.
मैं तुम लोगों को एक बात बताता हूँ. I had an audition once and they wanted a rugged look. उसके बाद मेरा जॉब इंटरव्यू था आधे घंटे में. मैं सोचा था यार शेव करने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, कैसे जाऊँगा. बट this made it possible. This is the Panasonic Shaver Plus trimmer, and the best part, it's easily portable.
You know guys, once I had got a call from the designer for the show, and he told me clearly he had to come up with a beard, and I was having very less time. What to do now? So this product helped me a lot within a no time, and no skin rashes with a smooth blade. That's the Panasonic.
Guys, वो सब तो ठीक है, but wherever you go,
You need the basic sanity, है ना?
True.
And Panasonic keeps that in mind as well. This nose and ear hair trimmer, it makes the toughest job easier, and it's really smooth as well. So I think guys,
Panasonic has the best beauty care products for men.
लोग कहते हैं हम मॉडल्स की स्किन कितनी खूबसूरत होती है ना, तो मैं कहती हूँ मेरे पास है मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड न्यू हिमालय प्योरीफाइंग नीम फेस वॉश. नीम हैज एंटीबैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टीज व्हिच प्रिवेंट्स पिंपल्स एंड गिव्स मी फ्लॉलेस लुकिंग स्किन. हिमालय प्योरीफाइंग नीम फेस वॉश. अगर आप हिमालय के साथ तो दुनिया आपके साथ.
यार क्या हुआ?
You know, मेरी पूरी सैलरी सैलून में चली जाती है, स्पेशली वैक्सिंग.
Don't worry, I have a solution. It's one-time investment और सैलून का झंझट भी नहीं.
पर कैसे?
Panasonic Epilator, it's the best.
But skin roughness?
See, touch it.
Wow, it's silky smooth and your skin is glowing.
तो आज से Panasonic Epilator यूज करो और सैलून के झंझट से फ्री रहो.
In the world of modeling, it's all about grooming and it's all about how to make the most of what you have. So, you've been watching the Glad Rags Mega Model and Manhunt contestants use Panasonic beauty accessories to make the best of themselves. Maybe you can give it a shot too.
Glad Rags.